mabathi indoda ayikhali unokubona banokusisho yabona when a man is always complaining when you are always complaining about life ukuthi hey life is unfair why umunye aphumelela mina ngaphumeleli those types of complaints can also apply to indoda ayikhali because sometimes in situations like that that's when you have to become a man, that's when you have to man up kahle face impilo yakho and take 100% responsibility because ngiyathanda ukuthi mina you are responsible especially uma umdala indoda you are responsible for who you are and for where you are today. Isikhathi solo complain ublame abazali bakho asikho. You see because baba umuntu manje my mentor once said we sometimes forget ukuthi mawukhula you used to say I had a poor background but now you don't realize ukuthi you are the background. Your kids are looking at you and you are their background now. What are you going to do about that?
It. Yes. Sure. Ibambela